Ms. Robinson is performing treatment room cleaning and disinfection. Step 1 is to assemble the appropriate setup, get everything that she needs. Number 2, she placed personal protective equipment according to our procedure. So she's got on the glasses, mask, gloves, and the gown. Okay. Number 3, she's going to check the disinfecting product to see if it's been prepared correctly and it's fresh, and read the instructions.
1/19/2019.
Thank you. Okay, now she's going to start to clean the surface areas in order. We're going to start with the dental chair. This is our cleaning procedure. Next, we're going to go to the delivery unit, the handpiece hoses, the air water syringe, down the hoses are important. That's where you get splatter. Next, we do the saliva ejector hose and the HVE hose. Next, we're going to do the dental light handles and the dental light switch. Then we're going to do the operator stool handle. And from there we'll go to the dental assistant stool handle. The dental assistant stool arm. Next is the assistant cart top. And next we do the countertop with the sink faucets. Okay, so we have done our cleaning. Now we're going to do our disinfecting. Thank you. Just reading to make sure it hasn't expired, it's fresh. So step number 4, she's going to spray the paper towel with the product and wipe the surfaces. We started with the dental chair. Going back in order that we cleaned, and now we're disinfecting. The dental chair was first. The dental unit, hand pieces and hoses, the air water syringe, saliva ejector hose, and the HVE hose. Next is the dental light switches and the light handle. The operator stool handle, and then you have the dental assistant stool handle. And the dental assistant stool arm. Next you have the assistant cart top. And then the countertop with the sink faucets. And number 6, we're going to let you verbalize that you allowed the surface to remain moist for the manufacturer's recommended time. Number 7, wiped off any excess moisture